Publishing a Dart or Flutter package might seems to be a difficult job, but actually it's a piece of cake. And let me show you how. So yeah, let's first open VS Code and we must have installed Dart SDK on our system and Dart extension on our VS Code. Now we will hit Command Shift P on Mac or Control Shift P on Windows and select Dart New Project, and it will give us the inbuilt templates from which we can select the type of project that we are going to create. So yeah, we are going to create a Dart package. So we will click here. Yeah, we will select this path and it is asking for the package name. This is the package name that we are going to use. Now we will hit enter to create our project. Now we can see our project has been created. Here we see we have a library folder and inside it we will have all the logics of our package, and we do also have an example folder, and here we will show its implementation, that how we can use it. Here we also have our pubspec.yaml file from where we can add any dependencies that our project depends on. Now let me create this package and we will see how we can publish it.
A few moments later.
We can see that our project has been created and we do have all the logics inside library folder. We do have enums inside src folder. Now we can see there is a class named colored log and it has several properties, and this is the library that we are going to access inside any project wherever we import colorlog.dart file, which will be added from the pubspec.yaml. This is the example folder and inside it we do have its implementation, like how we are going to use this package. So yeah, when we go to the colored log example.dart file, we do have a main method, and yeah, let's run it and see whether it works or not. So yeah, we do have debug console and we are gonna run it. And when we run it, we do have a colorful logs in our debug console, and yeah, it is working. So before publishing, let's discuss what are the setups that we are gonna need. We need a package name .dart file, and it will be library that we will be accessing from any projects wherever it is being imported. And the second thing that we need is a proper documentation inside readme.md file. Here we need to document the features of our package and its uses, how we can use it. And the third thing that we need to add is a license file. It has no extensions, and we can add any license of our choice. I have added MIT license. And the next one that we need to specify is changelog. Inside changelog, we need to specify the version of our package that we do have inside pubspec.yaml file. And yeah, we need to write like what are the changes. Okay. And the next one that we are going to need is a proper setup of the pubspec.yaml file. Here we need to specify the repository where our code will be available to public. And we do have topics. Yeah, it is optional, but yeah, it helps our package to be visible whenever these keywords are searched. And next, we need to specify platform support, in which platforms our package will work. So yeah, I have specified Android, iOS, Linux, macOS, web, means all possible platforms. Before publishing our package, we will verify if everything is alright by running dart pub publish try run. Now we can see that output message verifies that package has no warnings, zero warnings. So yeah, we can proceed with publishing our package. So we will use command dart pub publish, and yeah, it is asking for confirmation whether we want to publish our package or not with version 1.0.0, and now it is waiting for our authorization. So we will hold command key or control key and click on that URL. to verify and select our Gmail ID to verify it. And after verification, we can go back to the terminal and see that our package has successfully been published. That's all we need to do to publish our package. Now in pub.dev, we see that our package is pending for analysis. After a few minutes, we revisit pub.dev and search for our package. And since it's a new package, we will set search relevance to newest package, and we see our package has successfully been listed in pub.dev. So we can say that it just took a single command to publish a package and made it available to the community. Thank you.